everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Kahoot now. You do have to create your own account, but once you have your account, you can save as many Kahoots to your Kahoot section as you would like. So here it is. Once you log in, this is the screen you'll see. You can type in to find a Kahoot. So let's say addition. There is literally anything you want to test on Kahoots that are already made, because why reinvent the wheel if it's already made for you? You can just use it, but you can create your own Kahoot if you would like. So you would go through and find an addition Kahoot that you wanted to use for your classroom. So let's see, this one looks interesting. There's 25 questions. Since it's been played a lot, so it must be a good one. And then you get a preview of what the questions are going to be. You can show your answers, and it'll give you a picture. So right here, 1 + 1 is, and then they would click 2. So you would click, if you really like this quiz, you can put a star beside it, and it would add it to your favorites. Then you would click play. And what you would do now is your kids, there is an app that you can download onto the iPads, or you can use phones or anything like that, a tablet, or you can give them the link. It's play.kahoot.it, and they type it in, and then on their screen it'll just say Kahoot, and they have to type in a game code. So I would, right here, this will be displayed for everyone to see, this screen. And it's taking a little bit because of my internet. But see the game pins on the board for them to see. They would type in their game pin, and then their names would be added down here as the players. I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of this so the music stops. Alright, and I'm gonna show you this too. See, remember when I put a star beside my Kahoot to make it one of my favorites? You can click the My Kahoot tab, and these were the one Kahoots that I created. I was just playing around trying to see how hard it was to make a Kahoot. And it's not hard. It's just a little time consuming. So I try to find quizzes that's already been made. But right here, you see where there's that quiz that I had favorited a while back. And so that way you can go back and play it multiple times. The kids really enjoy this as an assessment tool. Sometimes I like to do it as they play as a team, and then they can come up with a cool team name, or you can play by themselves and use it as an assessment tool. I like to use it as bonus points to see, like a day before the test, to see who's been studying that week. But the kids really enjoy it because they don't feel like they're learning something. They think they're playing a really cool game.